Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets of wealth creation and financial success. In today's video, we'll delve into the strategies that rich individuals employ to maximize their wealth through the strategic use of debt. So, if you're ready to learn how to leverage debt for financial gain, let's dive in. Our first strategy revolves around the world of real estate investing. Many wealthy individuals harness the power of debt to acquire income-generating properties. By leveraging loans and mortgages, they can control more properties and tap into the potential for appreciation and rental income. Moving on to business expansion, debt becomes a tool for fueling growth and success. Entrepreneurs utilize debt financing to fund the expansion of their businesses, whether through acquiring competitors, launching new ventures, or expanding their operations. The goal? Increased profits and market dominance. Now, let's explore the exciting realm of leveraged investments. Rich individuals amplify their potential returns by borrowing funds to invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Through careful risk management and strategic decision-making, they can magnify their gains if the investment performs well, opening doors to substantial profits. Next up, we have acquisitions and mergers. Wealthy individuals use debt to finance these strategic moves. By acquiring controlling stakes in companies through leveraged buyouts, they unlock the potential for value creation through improved performance or asset sales. Private equity and venture capital take us to the realm of high-growth opportunities. Wealthy investors fund startups and high-potential ventures with borrowed money, seeking out the next big thing. It's a high-risk, high-reward game that, when successful, can generate exceptional returns. Leveraged buy-and-hold strategies offer a unique path to growing wealth over time. By acquiring income-generating assets, such as stocks, bonds, or rental properties, using borrowed funds, wealthy individuals aim for long-term appreciation and steady cash flow, creating a solid foundation for wealth accumulation. Lastly, we explore financing high-yield investments. This strategy involves funding high-risk ventures that promise substantial returns. While these opportunities come with inherent risks, thorough research and understanding of the investment landscape can help wealthy individuals diversify their portfolios and achieve exceptional gains. And there you have it, 7 powerful strategies that rich individuals use to leverage debt for maximum wealth creation. Remember, these strategies require careful consideration, risk assessment, and strategic decision-making. Always seek professional advice before venturing into these realms. If you found this video insightful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on wealth creation and financial success. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.